Hello again. In this short video, we'll discuss the whys and hows of the library's reference databases. Can you remember a time where you used Google or Wikipedia to look up a fact? Maybe you couldn't remember if a certain musician was dead or alive, or maybe you were trying to remember the name of an actress from a certain movie. Online reference tools like Wikipedia can be very helpful for finding quick snippets of information. Unfortunately, web-based tools like these can sometimes also have issues because so many people are able to edit the content and they might make mistakes or they might demonstrate bias. Other editors often catch and correct these mistakes, but some users may retrieve false information before that can happen. Library reference works like dictionaries, encyclopedias, and handbooks can provide the same type of factual overviews, but from a more credible and authoritative source. For example, you might use reference works to find the biography of a playwright or read an overview of critical responses to a certain play. There's another use for reference works as well. Let's say you're reading an ancient Greek play by Aristophanes, and it makes fun of a contemporary figure in his society or references a contemporary event. If you don't know enough about that person or event, you may not understand the reference or why it's comedic. If you don't understand why something is funny, it can be hard to appreciate what you're reading and even harder to perform it convincingly on stage. So encyclopedias and other reference books can help you get background information on the play's context to ensure that you fully comprehend what you're reading. Starting from the library's homepage, we'll scroll down and click on the Articles and More tab. Then we'll click on the link for reference. This page will list the library's best resources for searching reference works online. As an example, we'll take a look at Gale eBooks, formerly called the Gale Virtual Reference Library. Let's imagine that we want to find biographical information about the playwright Aristophanes. We'll type his name into the search box, and you can see one of the suggestions that pops up is Aristophanes, Greek playwright. So I'll click on that. In the results that come back, we have options on the right to filter by reading level, sort by publication date, and so forth. I'm going to limit the document type to biographies. Clicking on a title in my results will bring up that specific entry inside of a dictionary or encyclopedia. But I can also see the information about the whole book that contains this entry. You can switch between this friendly screen reader view and a PDF page that looks more like the exact image of the page in the book using this download button. In many cases, the end of the entry will also provide a bibliography of sources. These will help you dive deeper into the topic if you want to. And finally, the very bottom of the page, they will show you a source citation in MLA, APA, or Chicago style, which you can copy and use as a start for your own bibliography if you want to cite this source. Just remember, they're computer-generated citations, so always check them for errors. Now, this has obviously just been a very quick demonstration, but I encourage you to explore our reference databases further the next time that you need a quick fact, background, or contextual information to support your reading comprehension or your research. Until next time, stay safe.